The Talking Parrot. There was once a man named Mr. Joe who loved animals. One day he brought a clever parrot from a pet shop. The shopkeeper warned him, "This parrot is very smart, but a bit mischievous. Keep an eye on him." Mr. Joe took the parrot home and placed him in a nice cage. The parrot quickly learned to say, "Who's there?" and started repeating it whenever someone knocked on the door. One day the mailman came by and knocked on the door. Before Mr. Joe could open it, the parrot squawked, "Who's there?" The mailman replied, "It's the mailman." The parrot repeated, "Who's there?" The mailman got confused and said louder, "I said it's the mailman." The parrot squawked again, "Who's there?" This went on for several minutes until the frustrated mailman shouted, "Forget it." Mr. Joe watched the whole thing from behind the door and couldn't stop laughing. The parrot just tilted his head and said, "Who's next?" Moral of the story: even the smartest ones can be the funniest troublemakers.